Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Virgos. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So if you are interested, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards, Virgos. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, King of Cups in reverse, and Six of Swords. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are you are someone who is really devoted to your work. You do things at the right time. You never waste any opportunity in your work or in your relationship. Also, guys, you are someone who is responsible and dedicated. Maybe this person you are in relationship with, they are not like you. They may not share your way of life or your ideals and beliefs, and they are someone who is cool hearted and who is quite careless, maybe, or it may be your energy in your work situation. So the people you work with, maybe they are quite careless or they are not like you, not responsible or dedicated like you. So that may be the reason you see some difficult circumstances. You find it really difficult to trust them, to rely on this person for some work, or it may be this person you are in relationship with, and you feel that you cannot trust them, and you may have some doubts on this person. Maybe for some reason, maybe the way they are behaving, or maybe circumstances are pointing out to some kind of doubt or confusion on this person, guys. And for some of you, this may be something small, but it is becoming a huge problem, guys. Maybe because of the things they are doing, maybe their behavior is adding on to the fire of the problems you have. So some misunderstandings may be blowing out of shape because of their way of handling the situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards some kind of a break from this relationship, guys. Maybe they are moving away from you. They do not like you telling them what you need to do. Or for some of you, I see you taking, maybe going on travel, maybe traveling for work, taking this as an opportunity to have a temporary break from this person. So some kind of a temporary separation is what I see, guys, for your Virgos. For some of you, it may be a breakup. For some of you, it may be a temporary break from this relationship. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So I'll keep the second card aside. For those who chose this first card, it is Seraphos Green Quartz. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that in your circumstances today, you are in a situation, you have done everything possible, but truth or the reality is something different which you cannot accept, which you find it really difficult to accept. And you have been rigid all along, you have been rigid till now. But now you have come to a state of acceptance, accepting things, ready to accept things as it is. So, this is the time you will experience clarity in your situation, guys, clarity in your relationship. And this is the time for you to see the truth, being really honest about the things that we can change and what we cannot change. And it is a big step today in your connection, so you will have a better understanding that whatever situation you are in, you are totally helpless. You are at the mercy of the universe or your circumstances or destiny, whatever you call it. So you are unable to change. But when you accept that situation, accept this pain or tears as it is going to give you that clarity, guys, in your heart, and you're going to feel a harmony and balance. So whatever is rightfully yours will never miss you, guys. You can trust on that. So if this love is rightfully yours, it is meant to be. This person will realize your love, will realize your worth. But if it is not, there is a better person, a better love on its way right now towards you, and it is much more better than you have imagined. So there is no use of this tears or pain today, guys. So this acceptance of this difficult situation is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. So that is the energy for this card, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. So for those who chose this second card, guys, it is the Little Match Girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our circumstances today, maybe it may be in our relationship, in our life in general, we are, in a particular circumstance, we see so much pain, suffering and tears in our circumstances. We are trying to run away from it, trying to avoid this sadness. But this card calls for action. So some kind of help, whatever it is. When we help those people who are less fortunate, less blessed than us, they are also human beings just like us, guys, and they are in some kind of a difficult situation, and it is our duty, or it is our the right way of doing things. So whatever we can do, maybe it may be a really harsh circumstance, but we can be that person of love, comfort and warmth to that other person. So it is going to give them hope and happiness, and it is going to change the way things are for them. So we are going to help this person feel courage, strength and love if we step up today, step up with a kind heart, with a compassionate gesture in their life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your situation someone needs help, and this card calls for that, guys, for that helping nature of yours. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.